Hello friend, good day to you all wherever you might be right now across the world. I'm very happy to have you back here today. In this video, I will be showing you how you can earn up to 9% daily. How you can earn up to 9% daily in Cryptochrist Limited investment platform. So this is a review on Cryptochrist Limited investment platform. I will be showing you based on my own findings if this is a scam or legit, if this is a pure way to make money online or another wolf in sheep clothing. So for you to know if truly you can earn up to 9% in this Cryptochrist Limited investment platform, you need to watch this video to the very end in order for you to know all the information that I'm about to pass across to you. Alright, so I will be showing you step by step based on my review on this platform. But before I continue, I welcome you to this channel. This is LASOJENIC BIZZTALK. So this is brought to you courtesy of LASOJENIC BIZZTALK. So LASOJENIC BIZZTALK is a channel that is created to share with you my online ideas on how to make money for yourself online, how to make money. So, and also it is created to warn you of some fraudulent or suspicious online investments in order for you not to venture into such and lose your money at the end of the day. So if you are new on this channel, kindly subscribe and click on the notification bell. Turn it to all notifications for you to be continually aware whenever I upload new video. And after this video, if you found it to be very meaningful, if truly it has added value to you, then don't hesitate to like and share with your friends and family. Alright, once again, what we are considering today is up to 9% daily in Cryptochrist Limited investment platform. So is a review to know if it is a legit platform to make money or a scam. Alright, so quickly let's go to the platform. So this is Cryptochrist. So I'm taking the platform. Right, so welcome. So it's Cryptochrist Limited from the beginning so that I can read through some of the things I see on the web page. Alright, Cryptochrist, www.cryptochrist.org. First Christian Investment Company. First Christian Investment Company. So this first statement, I'm not very okay with it. Why should it be for Christian alone? Is it Christian alone that needs money? Everyone in the world, maybe black, no matter your color, no matter your language, no matter your race, no matter the ethnic group that you belong, everybody needs money. So an investment platform shouldn't be centered for a particular people alone. First Christian Investment Company. Okay, welcome to Cryptochrist. Cryptochrist.org strives to be worthy of our clients' trust by providing them with services which are economical. I can't see through the other things that are written. Spiritual, beneficial to. Okay, you can read through on your own. So what I have to say about this is that, is it endorsed by the Pope? Is it endorsed by the congregation of Christians? Is it endorsed by the, let me say, the Christian body in all over the world? So I don't really understand how a company will come and say that they are for Christians alone or First Christian Investment Company. Actually, they are not saying that. They are not saying that for Christian alone, but it shouldn't be in a religious way. It shouldn't be in a religious way. Okay, so let's continue. Actually, that does not mean it may be a means whereby to attract people, especially to attract more Christian, because many people, they believe in their religious rights. So they believe that anything goes along with their religion should be the best thing to do. so they can use this as a means to attract more Christians. Okay, and in the process of attracting Christians, they are repelling Muslims from doing this. So I think it should be a company, it should be a platform that anybody, any religion, any ethnic group can invest in without any iota of bias in someone's mind. Okay, so now let's continue with the review. Check out our investment plan. Choose a plan depending on the amount you want to invest. You can choose from 6 investment plan, and in this platform, they are yet to tell us what they are using people's fund for that brings them the money that they are paying to their clients or to their investors on daily basis. Or let me read some of the things written here. Also, the minimum to start with is $50. Receive profit daily and up to 15% daily from your extra money. We accept Bitcoin, Ethereum, Dogecoin, and Perfect money. Okay, so now, but they are yet to tell us what they are really investing our money into. So but let's check the investment plans. So we have 9% daily, 9% daily. The minimum there is 50. The minimum deposit $50. The maximum there is $1,500, and the duration is just a month, 1 month. Okay, that is my package, and the other one is frankincense package. You earn 11 daily, and deposit is excluded. And the minimum deposit is $1,550, while the maximum is $10,500, and the duration is also a month. The next package there is gold package. You earn 13% daily. The next package is Maya long term, that is 12% daily. The next package is frankincense long term, 14% daily, and this is also 3 months. Duration is 3 months. And the next investment package is gold, which is long term, it's also for 3 months, and the minimum is $10,500. So these are the 6 investment packages we have in Cryptochrist. Now, so this is the calculation. This is a calculation based on your investment. If you have selected the plan for 9% daily, and you input your amount, which is 50, so you'll be earning 9% daily, and what you'll be earning daily is 4.5%, $4.5. So this is pretty cool. It's pretty cool. So in 10 days you will be earning $45. So you have almost earned all your capital. Invest from $50 with no risk. Get great profits every day with our program. So, and this is the certificate of incorporation of this company. So they are set to be certified by the companies of England and Wales. All right, so let's check for other information on this platform before we call it a day. And before I give you my recommendation, result of our work, we are improving our company every day to achieve high results in industry for us, our investors and partners. Okay, so based on their own statistics, these are the people that have invested. Okay, sorry, the new deposit, and the new withdrawal, and this is how you can contact them. All right, so now what I will have to say about this company is that, firstly, I would like you to know that this channel, LASOJENIC BIZZTALK, it's all about financial education. I'm here to give you financial education. I'm here to show you some ways whereby I personally have been making some money for myself online. So, and if you are to go about the way that I have been trading, you are also expected to do some little or in-depth research before you venture into anything that I discussed on this channel, because you must be responsible for your action. All right, so another thing that I would like you to know is that for any online investment, for any business, not even online investment now, there must be an element of risk. There must be an element of risk whereby it is possible for you not to have up to your expectation, because there are several unforeseen circumstances that can befall a business either online investment or offline investment. So there are some circumstances. So your preparation towards these things, it will now determine how long your platform can last. It determines how long your business can last. Okay, even if there are some online investment platforms whereby they are scammers, but in their first 2-3 months they will pretend to be a very good platform, but at the end of the day, when they have reached their target, they strike and they cut away thousands of dollars or millions of dollars of their investors' fund. So I'm not saying that Cryptochrist is a scam. I'm not saying that this platform is a scam, but what I just observe is that is not very the information we have there is not well detailed. That is, we don't have a deep knowledge of what they are doing. What they are doing is not well explained with our fund. They just show us that we should invest $50 and earn 9% daily. They just explain the investment plans, but what they are using the money for is not well explained. And besides, the team behind this company, they are unknown, or I should say that they have an anonymous identity whereby you can't trace them. You don't know the people that are in charge of your fund. So, but based on what I said earlier, is that everything in life is a risk. Even not taking a risk is even riskier. So if I will be saying that I personally consider this cryptochrist.com, this platform, I will just advise you, if after you have done your research and you think it is what you can give a try, then just invest little that you can afford to lose. So it may work the way you expected, and it may not work. So I won't say that because I want you to register, I want to earn something on you, then I should now push you, or I should now make sure that you have registered. You registered and you put your money therein. But I just wanted to know that this is a risk, and if you are interested in taking the risk, just go ahead to the description box of this video. You are going to find a registration link there, register, and then you can deposit and start earning. So I just wanted to be responsible for your action. So that is all about this particular investment plan. Though there might be some abnormalities about it, but nevertheless, people are still making money from it. So you can give it a try. You can risk it, and you can make something out of it. So that's my recommendation. That is my submission on this platform. Alright, thank you so much for watching this video. This is LASOJENIC BIZZTALK. Once again, if you are yet to subscribe, kindly do that now and click on the notification bell. Turn it to all notification for you to be continually aware of the next update. Okay, if you found video to be very meaningful to you, then kindly share with your friends and like this video. Okay, thanks so much for watching this video. Once again, I'm LASOJENIC John, the creator of this channel. Till our next video, have a wonderful day ahead. Check the description box for more information on how to start earning the 9% in this platform. Bye bye for now. I love you all.